Yes, students, we have studied about food chain. So, related to the food chain, some terms are there which is written also in food chain, just like this: producer, consumer, and secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, so final consumer. What are these terms that related to that I want to explain you here. So, first is producers. Plants that make their own food are called producers. प्रोड्यूसर कौन होते हैं? जो फूड को प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. मीन्स फूड को कौन बना सकता है? हम तो नहीं बना सकते उसको. वी ओनली कैन कुक द फूड. बट what means which organism can produce the food? Only plants. Okay, so plants को क्या बोलेंगे हम? Producers. And animals that eat plants or herbivores are called consumers. Means here what they have written, that primary consumers are also what are the consumers? First I want to tell you that consumers are those animals, means all the animals which use the prepared food by plants. Understand? So consumers are also classified into different categories: primary consumers, secondary consumers, according to their different levels. So what are the primary consumers? See children, जिनके पास सबसे पहले प्लांट्स का फूड जाएगा, दे आर कॉल्ड प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर्स. जस्ट नाउ हियर दे हैव रिटन these are the producers, plants are the producers, and here we have taken example of grasshopper. So grasshopper क्या है? Primary consumer, because first plant food goes to the grasshopper. So after that प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर इज ईटन अप बाय द सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर. जो प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर को खाएगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? सेकेंडरी कंज्यूमर. एंड द एनिमल विच फीड ऑन द secondary consumer is called as tertiary consumer. Snake is a tertiary consumer here, and snake is eaten up by the hawk. And hawk, what is the hawk? It is a final consumer, because hawk को और कोई एनिमल नहीं खाता है जनरली. Okay, because they are the top consumers, or we can say the finally consumers. And after the death of these animals, final consumers, they mix up, or we can say their body is decomposed or converted into smaller particles by decomposers. And decomposers example is fungus and protozoa or other bacteria. These kind of small living creatures are there which act as decomposers. Understand? So on the basis of these they have written here. So let's read: animals that eat herbivores, secondary consumers. Okay, क्योंकि देखो ये क्या है? herbivore, and herbivore को कौन खा रहा है? secondary consumer. So it is not a herbivore, because frog always eat small insects or other means such kind of creatures. So it is coming under the carnivores category. And animals that eat carnivores are called tertiary consumers. So tertiary consumer, here we have taken example of snake, means which feed on the carnivores. And animals at the top of the food chain are predators, and no one eats them. Predators are the animals which are coming at the last level, or we can say at the top level in the food chain, and in this category we can keep lion, tigers, leopards. These animals are also coming under the category of predators, means no other animal can eat them. After only the death of these animals, they are going to decompose. Okay, so these are called final consumers. So let's see next what is given. In any ecosystem there are many food chains, and generally most plants and animals are part of several chains. You know that, children, in any ecosystem, I told you that what is ecosystem, that living and non-living things of any place, they comprises together to form an ecosystem, and there are many food chains in the any ecosystem. So in that food chain, plants and animals are also means, that's why food chain is completed when so many animal and plants are there. So when we draw all the chains together, we end up with a food web. When we draw such kind of other food chains, okay, and together, suppose here this grass, if I draw here that this grass is also eaten up by rabbit, यहाँ पे हम एक रैबिट बना दें या रैबिट का नेम लिख देते हैं, तो this rabbit is also eating this grass, and this rabbit again, it can also be eaten up by the snake. Okay, and उसके बाद फिर जो स्नेक है, स्नेक को हॉक तो खा ही रहा है, बट अदर देन हॉक, सपोज हियर other animal we can take, snake is eaten up by the dog. डॉग्स भी स्नेक को खाते हैं, ठीक है, एंड सपोज दिस डॉग, दिस स्नेक इज ऑल्सो ईटन अप बाय द डॉग, एंड आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ डॉग ऑल्सो डिकम्पोज बाय द डिकम्पोजर्स. तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक और फूड चेन बना दी, एक पहले से थी, एक और फूड चेन इसके साथ जोड़ दी. इन द सेम वे you can create many food chains side by side, and if more than one food chain, or we can draw so many food chain, when we join together or interconnected with each other, then that condition is called, or that diagram or condition is called food web. Understand? So children, here you can see in this picture, it is given in your book. So here you can create many food chains here, but keep it in mind that many animals are eating more than one kind of animals, just like hawk. You know that hawk is a final consumer, or it can feed on this crane also, okay, and crane also can be food of this hawk. duck को भी खा सकता है ये here, and snake को भी hawk खा सकता है. तो in this way we also create, आपको पता है कि जो rat है, rat को कौन खाता है? snake, and rat feeds on the plant grains, जो ये wheat grain or any kind of food material, if it is there, then rat eating that plant food, and ये एक food chain बन गई. Okay, so in the same way many insects are there. insects ने plants को खाया, और इन insects को frog ने खा लिया. Okay, and this frog is eaten up by the snake, ऐसे आप मिला दो इसको, and this snake again eaten up by this, or snakes are eaten up by the crane also. You know that crane is also eating snakes when it can't eat a big snake but tries to kill them and eat up, but small snakes can easily eaten up by the crane. So in this way you see that how many things we can connect with each other. In the same way insects को फिश भी खा सकती हैं, ओके, स्मॉल फिश, और स्मॉल फिश जो हैं इनको बिग फिश खा लेती हैं, और जो बिग फिश होती हैं उनको वाटर के ऊपर आपने देखा होगा बहुत बार स्पैरोज़ होती हैं, स्पैरोज़ भी इनको फिश को अपना फूड बना सकती हैं. और अदर वे यू कैन सी दैट एनी बर्ड जस्ट लाइक हॉक, इट कैन ऑल्सो ईट फिश, और fish can also be eaten by the crane, और fish can also be eaten by the duck. अब देखो ऐसे मैंने ये कैसे जाल बना दिया पूरा, ओके. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड वेब. अंडरस्टैंड, वेब का मीनिंग ही होता है नेटवर्क और जाल, ओके. सो दिस वेब इज फॉर्म्ड बाय द डिफरेंट फूड चेन्स. इसमें और भी बहुत सारी फूड चेन बन सकती हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारे और भी इसमें प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स दिए हुए हैं जिनको क्रिएट करके आप खुद आप फूड चेन बना सकते हो. अंडरस्टैंड. सो इन दिस वे animals, many animals are interconnected with each other which are living in an ecosystem. So that's why this is called a food web. Many food chain collectively make a food web. Understand? So this is about the food web.